here I am in front of 5 plants. This plant here is taken from the plot that was planted on the 15th of November. This plant the 1st of December, 15 December, 1st of January, 15 January. I'm beginning to sound like a parrot. I'm sorry, but I think that when you look at these plants, you will see why I sound like a parrot about planting date. Interestingly enough, apart from this one, which only has 2 branches, all of the plants, except for the 15th of January, all have the same number of branches. If you look at this plant, it has its main stem and 4 branches. This is for the people that say that spike doesn't branch, and sometimes it doesn't branch. It does depend on your plant population. So what we're seeing is that branching is not determined by planting date. Branching is actually determined by plant population. What I really want you to look at carefully is the number of pods. I'll break it down just now and we'll split them between 3s, 2s and 1s. But for now, you can see that as the planting is delayed later, the plants get smaller, and that is determined by the number of internodes which grow before the sun changes direction. Soybeans are photoperiod sensitive. What that means is that up until the summer solstice, they grow vegetatively. And all the literature will tell you that you need to plant as far away from the summer solstice as possible to get an increased number of nodes, because soybeans produce pods on every node. So if you look at this plant now, and if you count the nodes, you will see you've got, I'm going to just count down the main stem just to keep it simple. We'll do that on each plant. So here, this is the tip here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 pod bearing nodes. That is on the 15th of November. Now if we go to the 1st of December, just 2 weeks later, and this is actually when most people plant, to be honest, because a lot of people plant their soybeans dry land, and most people don't really have rain before the 15th